Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
A lot of people assume Liquify is only for extreme, cartoonish distortions. Wrong. In the hands of a careful editor, it's one of the most refined tools in Photoshop. Open it from Filter, then Liquify. The Forward Warp tool, your default, gently pushes pixels in the direction you drag. Use a large brush with low pressure for subtle shifts. Straighten a slightly crooked collar, align an uneven hemline, or smooth a wrinkled backdrop. The Face-Aware section is even smarter. Sliders let you adjust eye size, jaw width, and smile intensity without painting at all. Freeze areas you don't want touched. The key is restraint. Small moves, big polish, zero distortion.